YouTube, what's poppin'? Retro family, retro game, what's good, y'all? This your boy Retro Rick from Retro Rick and Maddie's Kits coming back at you. Look, everybody enter the off-white giveaway. You know what I'm talking about. I'm gonna point up. Everybody that enter, you're good. But Maddie and the producer, my two daughters, get back from out of town, which is the next day or two. We're gonna have y'all a lituation. Josh and Guy will be back in about 4 days. Happy anniversary to Josh and Guy. Look, do y'all, man. Have fun. Be safe. Trust me. So look, when everybody get back, gang, fam, we're going to announce the winner on this app. We're going to do it live here at the shoebox. Josh and Gal is going to put up. Maddie's going to be in the building, of course. And we're going to do it like that. We're going to make it the lituation, let y'all know everything was official. Everybody did what they're supposed to do, share, tell a friend that subbed up. If everybody that subbed up down to my channel and Josh and Gal channel, salute to everybody. We appreciate this. We're going to keep it going, hitting y'all over the head with this healing content. Retro Rick and Maddie's Kicks, we got you. I'm finna take y'all down memory lane. Before I take y'all down memory lane, gang, Retro family, do me a favor. Like, tell a friend, share. This is what we're here for. If you ain't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. If you don't want to subscribe, keep watching. Make up your mind. It's up to you. Up or down. If you're on the fences, look, trust me. I understand, man. Your time is important. Our time is here important on this channel too as well. So we're going to get ready to it. Let's get it, gang. Tailwinds, man. I told y'all I'm going to walk y'all down memory lane. Got this pair from Foot Action. Size 11 and a half. I had to go down a half a size. I wanted a 12, but they didn't have a 12. So when I tried on the 11 and a half, they fit like a glove. So I'm going to rock with it. The tongue right here. I don't know, they biting off the off-white. Y'all tell me what the tongue on the tailwind, 1979. It is a classic. 78, if I ain't mistaken. 79, 78. Somebody gonna correct me, I'm sure, in the comments. If so, let me know. Nike, orange. You got the suede right here. You got the leather on the back. I got other pairs I'm finna show you before I get right into it. Let me show you the receipt real quick on this one. I think it was retail. Was it 90 bucks? Yeah, 90. I ended up getting them for 77, 76. Foot Action. Yes, sir. Let's get it. We'll set this pair down. I'm going to leave this one out so we kind of do a comparison. This pair, out the shoe doll pack, out of Nike Cortez. This particular pair came out yesterday. If y'all follow me and Maddie and the Retro Rick and Maddie's Kicks on IG, you're going to know that I secured the Falcon pair. I'm loving this pair already because the Falcon pair, just like this pair, is stitched. Everything is the thread. I hope y'all seeing this coming up on the camera. This side, you got the regular check. But this is supposed to be, oh, don't drop it, man. Please don't drop it. You know what? I'm still going to wake the dead. No cap. But y'all know about waking the dead? Don't go nowhere. It's coming, gang. See this right here? This is the stitching. See the stitching? This was the original Nike check that they were supposed to use back in the day before this Nike check. So I had to get this pair. This retail for I think it was 120, so it's like 129 plus tax. Once again, see the tongue? Okay. The shoe doll pack. It was 3 colorways out of this. You had this one here with the check. I got the Falcon pair on the way, and then you had the 6 dimensions, which was like a red circle. Matter of fact, let me show y'all what I'm talking about. Let me set the other shoe out the way. These were the other 2. This is the one I got right here at the shoebox. This is the one with the Falcon. That's on the way, the logo. And this is the one with the 6 dimension. And all the material is with the thread. So think about it. That's why I got at least 2 out of the pack. I'm going to mismatch one up. I'm going to wear the Nike check with the Falcons. You see that. Bird game, what's popping? Football season is on the way. It's going to be a situation. Shout out to y'all football teams, man. In the comments below, let me know what football team y'all rocking with. Please do. We can interact that way too as well. Trust me. Hey, I told y'all we going down memory lane. Man, come on, man. Shout out to D. Shoe Butler, my guy there, man, for letting me get this pair to do a review on. No cap. You got the Cortez Nike, man. Once again, I call these a dope, man. The leather on these are, I mean, like, is that coming up? Oh, everything is coming up. I mean, soft leather. Even a check, like Maddie would say, buttery. You got the 85 on the back of this one. It's a Stranger Thing pack. You know, it's that Netflix movie. I'm gonna say movie, it's a series on Netflix, y'all. Check that out, man. Me and Maddie, I know I watched the first season. They're in season 3 now. It's supposed to be like the theme where they getting ready to go to high school, and I guess Hawkins High is the high school they're going to. The year that it's popping, like I said, you got 19, you got 85, Stranger Things. Sheesh. Once again, I told you I'm gonna walk y'all down memory lane. So let me show y'all a little different, even how they switched it up with the shoe dog. Supposed to be an original versus the ones that actually drop. Kind of see. If you ask if I'm holding both of them right now, leather on this one is A1. I'm telling you now. I'm still loving the material on this. To each his own. Y'all leave a comment below what you're rocking. But once again, look at the tongues, y'all. You see that? The off-white thing they bite. We're gonna set these right here. So we're gonna keep going down memory lane. Once again, Stranger Things pack, 4th of July. Sheesh. Got him. Pretty much 1985. You've seen the Cortez, the red pair here, the Nikes. This is the tailwind, kind of like, actually this pair here. This pair was cheaper, but this pair, ooh, wait, hold up. Let me tell you something right now. Hey, look, man, shout out to Stranger Things once again, Netflix, Hawkins High, man. I can't promote it because my girls love it. I watch it, but look, dope collab. I like the boxes. Even how y'all do it like this. I love all that. I love the boxes and the presentations on certain shoes. So that's when I get hyped about stuff. But this is the Independence Day pack. Kind of a lot of stuff I showed you was kind of red, white, and blue. On this back here, you got 85. You got 19, once again, 1985. Once again, family, look at the tongue. Y'all see how they going to the off-white thing. You got Stranger Things here. And this one says July 4th, 1985, Hawkins, Indiana. Once again, that's where the series is filmed. You see what's on the bottom of these? See that? Oregon. Shout out to, look, man, look, I'm rocking these. Matter of fact, don't go nowhere, gang. It's time to wake the dead. Let's get it. All right, first up, these tailwinds. 1985. I noticed that. What's up with this inside? 1985, 4th of July, Hawkins Park, Independence Day bash, 8:30 p.m. So we're gonna lace these up. See what they're hitting on. You know, newspaper dope too. So doing the on foot a little bit different, man. See how they go in, how they fit, how they snug up. Tailwind. You know, tell me what you think. Well, let me go embrace the other ones. Put these on. Once again, you can see that that off-white tongue I was talking about. Put that split in and let them breathe. Okay. Some ain't over with yet. That's that one. Wait the dead, baby. Let's go with the next pair, gang. Y'all bear with me. Because like I told you, Maddie's out of town. That's why I'm dropping stuff right now. Here go the blue pair, the tailwinds. The New York Mets. I know I'm going to get some Mets with it. Let's see what these hitting on. Leave a comment. Let me know. No, to each his own, man. Lightly, I'm digging these. Get y'all an angle. Digging these. You know what? I got to lace the other one up. Let me go ahead and put the other one on real quick. Digging these, gang. The tongue got it up. I can see everything. The tongue protruding out. Now you can get that whole view. Alright. Let's put on the other pair. Sheesh, your boy waking the dead. Let's see what else we got. Okay. The shoe dog pack. You got the Cortez Nikes. Let's get these. Once again, you see the tongue protruding out. Get this. Man, the check popping already. I'm going to tell you that now. My personal opinion, but you know. Let's get this other one on. Good feel. Again, let's see what's going on with the tongue. Sheesh. The retro way of life. Hey, you know what I say, man. We love y'all. Stay strong. Stay double strong. It's still a whole lot of gang. Hey, y'all pull up on me, man. I'm going to be on County Road, man. Shout out to Scotty ATL, the Cool Club, Munchie Bucks, Retro Rick, and Maddie will be in the building. We got book bags. We helping out the kids, man. It's back to school. I think we got like 15 book bags we're going to pull up on Scotty with. And some more surprises, man. County Road, man. Hey, follow me on IG. Link in. Retro Rick and Maddie's Kicks. That way. We out.